Morning routine and daily start sentences.
I wake up early.
I wake up early.
I hear the alarm.
I hear the alarm.
I turn it off.
I turn it off.
I open my eyes slowly.
I open my eyes slowly.
I stretch my body.
I stretch my body.
I sit up on my bed.
I sit up on my bed.
I get out of bed.
I get out of bed.
I make my bed.
I make my bed.
I fold my blanket neatly.
I fold my blanket neatly.
I walk to the bathroom.
I walk to the bathroom.
I wash my hands first.
I wash my hands first.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
I splash cold water.
I splash cold water.
I clean my face well.
I clean my face well.
I dry my face softly.
I dry my face softly.
I pick my toothbrush.
I pick my toothbrush.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I rinse my mouth well.
I rinse my mouth well.
I look in the mirror.
I look in the mirror.
I comb my hair.
I comb my hair.
I fix my hairstyle quickly.
I fix my hairstyle quickly.
I check the time.
I check the time.
I choose my clothes.
I choose my clothes.
I wear clean clothes.
I wear clean clothes.
I get dressed.
I get dressed.
I button my shirt properly.
I button my shirt properly.
I wear my shoes.
I wear my shoes.
I tie my laces tight.
I tie my laces tight.
I look ready now.
I look ready now.
I feel a bit hungry.
I feel a bit hungry.
I go to the kitchen.
I go to the kitchen.
I open the fridge.
I open the fridge.
I take some food.
I take some food.
I make breakfast.
I make breakfast.
I boil some water.
I boil some water.
I make a cup of tea.
I make a cup of tea.
I eat my breakfast quietly.
I eat my breakfast quietly.
I drink milk slowly.
I drink milk slowly.
I drink some water.
I drink some water.
I wash my plate.
I wash my plate.
I wash the dishes.
I wash the dishes.
I wipe the table.
I wipe the table.
I clean the table.
I clean the table.
I pack my lunch.
I pack my lunch.
I fill my water bottle.
I fill my water bottle.
I take my bag.
I take my bag.
I check my things.
I check my things.
I check my keys.
I check my keys.
I pick up my phone.
I pick up my phone.
I lock the door.
I lock the door.
I step outside.
I step outside.
I step outside calmly.
I step outside calmly.
I walk down the street.
I walk down the street.
I walk down the road.
I walk down the road.
I greet my neighbor.
I greet my neighbor.
I see the morning sun.
I see the morning sun.
I enjoy fresh air.
I enjoy fresh air.
I walk a little faster.
I walk a little faster.
I cross the road carefully.
I cross the road carefully.
I reach the station.
I reach the station.
I reach the bus stop.
I reach the bus stop.
I buy a ticket.
I buy a ticket.
I stand in line.
I stand in line.
I wait patiently there.
I wait patiently there.
I check the time again.
I check the time again.
I see the bus arrive.
I see the bus arrive.
I move towards the bus.
I move towards the bus.
I get on the bus.
I get on the bus.
I get on carefully.
I get on carefully.
I find a good seat.
I find a good seat.
I sit down quietly.
I sit down quietly.
I hold the handle.
I hold the handle.
I look out the window.
I look out the window.
I enjoy the view.
I enjoy the view.
I feel relaxed now.
I feel relaxed now.
I think about my day.
I think about my day.
I plan my tasks.
I plan my tasks.
I smile to myself.
I smile to myself.
I reach my stop.
I reach my stop.
I get off the bus.
I get off the bus.
I walk to my office.
I walk to my office.
I open the main door.
I open the main door.
I greet my team.
I greet my team.
I greet my boss.
I greet my boss.
I sit at my desk.
I sit at my desk.
I turn on my computer.
I turn on my computer.
I check my emails.
I check my emails.
I start my work.
I start my work.
I take a deep breath.
I take a deep breath.
I feel full of energy.
I feel full of energy.
I am ready to go.
I am ready to go.
I start my day calmly.
I start my day calmly.
I need to hurry now.
I need to hurry now.
I check my phone.
I check my phone.
I read a message.
I read a message.
I send a reply.
I send a reply.
I take a short break.
I take a short break.
I feel strong today.
I feel strong today.
I keep moving forward.
I keep moving forward.
Today is a great day.
Today is a great day.